evening, all of you. Hi. Yes, Balaji, Ishan, Kush. Okay, I can see so many familiar faces. Yes, hi, all of you.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. Who is
Okay,
this?
that's good to know. What's your name?
Darren.
Oh, Jaren. That's nice. Okay, so yes. Okay, so I would just request the parents to please rename the Zoom account by the child's name so that I can address the kids, and it should not happen that I'm addressing the parents. So just make sure that you are renaming it by the child's name, so it's easy for me to talk to the kids. Okay. We'll just wait for another 2 minutes for your friends to join in before we start. And are you all excited? Are you all excited? Yes? So, okay. So, whenever we have to talk, so what we do, if we are excited, then we show a thumbs up. And if we are not excited, then we show a thumb down. So, are you all excited? Are you all excited? Okay, I can see so many thumbs ups. That's so nice. That's good. Okay, great. So we'll just wait for your friends to join in and then we'll start.
Akanksha ma'am, I think everybody seems very, very excited. We are going to start right on time today, looks like.
Yes, yes ma'am.
Wait for 1 more minute and then we'll get started.
Yes.
I will request all the parents to keep the video on, and if they can keep themselves on mute. So we want to see everybody, but if we are on mute, then we can really enjoy the session very well. Okay? What do you think, Harshali ma'am? Should we start?
Yes. I mean, everybody is excited, I think, and we're just waiting to start. So we'll not waste much of time.
Yes. Okay. So welcome to all of you. I want for just the first 5 minutes, at least, the parents to also sit with your teenagers, your children, whoever you have with you. So we want to just do a few quick introductions, and then we will quickly get started with the camp. So my name is Shivani Pandit. I am the founder of Samarthya Foundation, and today we are here in association with SNCC Rehab Foundation to present our Tech Fun Camp, Computer Skills Camp for all the children. So welcome to each one of you. I will just take a few minutes to tell you a little bit about Samarthya Foundation. So I am a special educator. I have been working with children with intellectual disabilities and autism for the past 25 years in the United States. And Samarthya Foundation is based out of United States, but I do a lot of projects and work for children with disabilities, their families, and professionals who work with them in India. And overall, Samarthya Foundation focuses on creating public awareness, delivering professional development, that is working with teachers, and providing parent training and support. So that's sort of our overall goal. If I can just share quickly a few of our current offerings that we have through Samarthya is that I deliver intensive parent trainings on Zoom. So there are 6 or 8 week sessions that we do where I teach parents, give them skills to work with their children at home. We do these sessions in English, Hindi and Marathi. And that has been something amazing that has happened since the lockdown, that we've been able to connect and provide outreach to a lot of families because of technology like Zoom. Another thing that I'm very happy and proud is that through Samarthya Foundation, I'm able to support and provide free programming on many aspects that children need. I do one-on-one consultation and coaching with mothers. We do one-on-one intervention sessions with children who have autism and children on IDD. We also provide financial literacy sessions for parents of children with disabilities and their adult siblings. We do inclusive storytelling sessions on Zoom. We do yoga sessions for mothers on Zoom. We do art sessions for children of all abilities on Zoom right now. Of course, everything is Zoom, as you can imagine. And I'm particularly excited and proud that in association with SNCC, we are able to offer these free 10-day camps on various topics. We've done a camp on life skills. We've done a creative camp. And now here we are today for our tech camp. So again, welcome to all the parents here. And this is our team. Of course, I'm Shivani Pandit. Our program manager and special educator is Akanksha Naik. Akanksha, say hello. Akanksha will be your teacher. Akanksha will be your guide throughout this tech camp. And we have Ruta Bakkar and Rucha Bakkar. Both of you say hello to everybody. Ruta and Rucha are our amazing Samarthya ambassadors who do a lot of wonderful work behind the scenes for us. So our information is here, the website, my email, my personal phone number. If you have any questions about the programs that I shared in the previous slide and you would like to know more, please feel free to get in touch with me. And on to, of course, our wonderful Harshali Kharche. I think each one of you knows her. But of course, we want to take a few minutes so that Harshali can talk about all the amazing work that she's doing with SNCC Rehab Foundation. Over to you, Harshali.
A very good evening, everyone. I mean, nice to see you all here. I will not take much of a time, but just wanted to say that we are working on a similar vision, mission, motto with the Samarthya Foundation. That's why I'm very much excited to do a lot of work right now with Samarthya Foundation. So SNCC, you as all you know, we are working in empowerment of children, parents of children with special needs. So my motto is here to get a satisfaction and peace of mind and their children happiness. Ultimately, we need that. So we are working in the various program in this. It is to send and mission is to sensitize, educate the society about the challenges, to provide appropriate perspective toward this treatment. That we just had this national summit on that, and we also doing a various financial and knowledge-based sessions on this. So here, what I thought is like my child is also require, I think, creativity, fun, I mean, technical, pre-vocational, vocational trainings and all. So I can understand the need of the parents as a parent, I can understand that from parent perspective. So I always go to Shivani that we need this kind of a program for parents, and she is there with all the ideas. I mean, this is the best thing I came across in this my small journey. We just started doing our work, but like everything is so in tune with Shivani Didi's thought and my thought process. That's why these camps are happening and everybody is getting so much benefit out of it, that I'm very happy today that we are doing for the older kids. And of course, thanks to Akanksha Naik Didi for she is amazing with kids and everything on delivering her all the lectures and all the camps. So I'm excited to know and do this now. I'll not waste much of time and let's switch over to our camp. Let's start.
Okay, yes.
Thank you so much, Harshali. 1 second before Akanksha, you take over. I just want to let parents know that this is a camp for children 10 plus. So there is a bit of a mixed age that we have. So Akanksha will of course guide you depending on your child's age. You may have to customize some of the activities, or you may need some extra help or support from her. So feel free to let her know, after the session is over, because we do have a mixed, varied ages. So she will of course guide you, but just know that. Right, Akanksha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
Please carry on.
Yes, thank you so much. Good evening once again, all of you. Thank you so much, Shivani ma'am. Thank you so much, Harshali ma'am. And I once again welcome you all. So now for next 5 to 10 days, this is how we are going to say hello. Okay, so this is how we say hello and this is how we say bye. Okay, so hi all of you.
Hi.
Okay, hi Vishnu. Yes, all right, great. So I can see so many familiar faces and I can see so many new faces. So welcome you all, and I am very happy and I am very excited for this camp, for this computer skill camp. And we will be communicating in 2 languages. One will be Hindi and one will be English. So no problem if any time अगर आपको ऐसे लगता है that you are not able to understand what I am saying or I am being too fast or I am being too slow, तो आप मुझे जरूर बता सकते हो. Okay, and as I said, this is how we say yes and this is how we say no, this is how we say excited and this is how we say that we are not excited. So are you all excited for the first day of the camp? Are you all excited for the first day of the camp?
Yes, ma'am.
Yay! Great, Aishwarya. Nice. Great, all of you. Chalo, then start karte hain. Today I am going to teach you the most simplest and the most fun fun way of getting to know it. It is Microsoft Word. So आज हम Word सीखने वाले हैं. So I am just quickly going to share my screen with you so that you know how step by step you need to go ahead with it. Okay. So this is my screen. You all can see my screen, and I am going to first click on the left of my keypad. So this is the left side of my keypad. So click on the left of the keypad, और आपको ऐसे options आ जाएंगे. Can you see so many options? Like I have view, sort, refresh, and all. Once you see all these options, you go on the new option. ये जो new है ना, इस पे जाइए. Go on the new one. Yes, go on the new one. Now when you go on the new one, there is an option of Microsoft Word. So click on that and put your name here. You can put your name here. Click on the left side of the keypad. Go on new. Go on Microsoft Word. Create this file and put your name and click on it. Okay. So ऐसा screen आपके सामने आया, सबके सामने. You can show a thumbs up. Okay. So if this screen comes up, you can show me a thumbs up. The screen is there. Great. Okay, great. And here इसमें बहुत सी चीजें हैं. Okay, so there are so many things in this. Today we are going to see किस तरीके से अलग अलग टाइप करते हैं, किस तरीके से इसके अंदर हम टेबल डाल सकते हैं. We can put different shapes. We can put different size, have different colors. So first thing I want you all to do is, ma'am क्या चाहती है that you just type this sentence. Okay, on the screen just type this sentence. My name is. Everyone put your own name. Everyone put your own name. Yes. So you're just going to write this much on the screen. You can see word screen. My name is. And everyone will put their own name. Ma'am, Kajal, Savita, Arna. So everyone just put their own name on that. Show me a thumbs up once you're done. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, with your screen on, we are not able to see our desktop.
Okay, so ma'am, in that case, if you can just use a phone for logging into the meeting, and then you can practice on the screen. Okay. That could be one part.
No, you can minimize the Zoom, and you can keep it in a small window side, and you can use your desktop.
Yes, both the options are there. You can minimize the Zoom meeting like I am doing it, and then you can just open onto the Word file.
Okay, got it. Just 1 second. Huh?
Yes.
Now you're
okay. So you're going to show me a thumbs up if you are done writing. My name is what? Okay. Great. Now the second sentence we are going to write here is. The second sentence that we are going to write here is. You are going to write. My age is. Everyone write down their ages. What is your age? कितने साल के हो आप? My age is. We're going to write that. Yes, good.
Hello, ma'am. This is Kajal, Mayank's mother.
Yes.
One suggestion I have, if you can make the font a little more bigger, then children will be able to copy the spellings also if they don't know.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I will just do that.
Thank you.
Great. Good to go? Yes. Okay, this much size is enough, I guess. Yes. Okay. Great. So everyone write down their ages here. My name is. You're going to write your name, then your age. And then next is going to be I live in. Where you stay, कौन से city में, कौन से state में, wherever you stay, you're just going to write that, okay? All right. So इतनी 3 चीजें हम लिखेंगे before we go ahead. You can quickly show me a thumbs up once you will be done with all these 3 things. I can see 884116 hand raised. Is there anything you want to say? Please unmute. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
There is a lot of echo, ma'am. Could you just please put it in the chat box? Also, if I request all the parents again, if they can just rename the Zoom ID with the child's name, it's easy for me to call out. Okay. Yes, Sanjeevni, even you have raised your hand. Is there anything you want to say? Okay, once you will be done with this, yes, just show me a thumbs up before we go ahead. And koi jaldi nahi, okay? Take your time and do it. We are here to learn. So do it. Yes, I can see Manas both thumbs up. Yes, good. Another 1 or 2 minutes for the same. Okay. Yes. Let me know once you are done. Showing me a thumbs up. Okay, that's great. So many thumbs up already. That's nice. That's nice. Okay. Now we go to the next step. अब हम next step की तरफ जाते हैं. Why I told you to write these three sentences. Okay. So we are going to take this first sentence. Okay. So what I want you to do is, I want you to click onto your left, what do you say, key, and just hold it like this. Highlight करो इतने part को. Keypad say yes. Only the first sentence, okay? Only the first sentence, not the complete one. Only the first sentence. And now here when we go, we can see different fonts. Can you see different fonts? There are so many fonts here. Fonts क्या होते हैं? Different handwriting, okay? So we can select whichever handwriting we like. So here are so many different fonts, different handwritings. कितनी अलग-अलग चीजें हैं इसमें. You can just scroll, just see, check करो कौन सा आपको ज्यादा पसंद आ रहा है. Which handwriting you like the most? So I am selecting this handwriting for my first sentence. This is going to be my font for the first sentence. For all three sentences, we are going to have three different handwritings. कहाँ से हम handwriting select करेंगे? यहाँ your left hand side we get this option of handwriting and of size. So from there we are going to select. Whichever handwriting you like, whichever handwriting you want, the font you have liked. तो वो select करेंगे जल्दी से. You can have your own favorite handwriting, okay, or font. It's totally up to you. जो आपको सबसे ज्यादा पसंद आता है select करो. Yes, done. Then show me a thumbs up. Great. Now we are going to select the second line. अब इसमें थोड़ा सा addition करेंगे because I know my kids are so smart. So I am going to add to this. So here in this we are going to change handwriting. हम handwriting तो change करने ही वाले हैं, but उसी के साथ साथ हम color भी change करने वाले हैं. I will show how I did this. So I have selected it. मैं यहाँ पे गई font के यहाँ पे मैंने एक font select किया. I selected a font here. मुझे जो font पसंद आया मैं यहाँ से font select कर रही हूँ. And then I go here. So there are two options. यहाँ पे जहाँ पे A लिखा है, when I click on this, I get so many colors. मुझे कितने color choices मिल रहे हैं यहाँ पे. I can select whichever is my favorite color. Yay! So I'm going to go for blue color. So अब मैंने font भी change किया और मैंने color भी change किया है. Wow! पहले सेंटेंस में हमने सिर्फ फॉन्ट चेंज किया था. इन फर्स्ट सेंटेंस we had just changed the font. हमने ब्लैक कलर रखा था. We had kept black color and we had just changed the font. But in the second line we have also changed the font as well as the color. Yes, select your favorite color, select your favorite font. Yes. Select your favorite color. जो कोई आपको कलर पसंद है, जो कोई फॉन्ट आपको पसंद है. Once you're done, you can just let me know. Now that was our second sentence. That was our second sentence.
I have done.
I am done. I'm full.
Good,
Done.
good, good. You're done. Good,
त्याने गुड पण केली.
good, good, good.
I have done.
Yes, Balaji, good. Very nice. Now, should we move to the third? Should we move to the third sentence? Third sentence की तरफ जाए. अब third
Yes,
sentence में
ma'am.
क्या करना है? Yes. Now, ये जो third sentence है of where I live in Pune. So ये sentence का हम क्या करेंगे? Again, we'll select it. I'm again going to select this. I'm going to change the font again. I am going to change the color again. And उसके साथ साथ what I am going to do is I am going to underline this. So यहाँ पे there is an option. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो जहाँ पे मैंने जहाँ पे font था उसके नीचे there is a U. So U means underline. Okay. So I have underlined the sentence. I'm just going to underline Pune because this is where I stay. So I'm going to underline Pune. So what we did here in this third line, we changed the font, we changed the color, and we have also underlined it. Now,
Done.
yes, great. Now, what I want you to do is next is आपके हिसाब से what do you want, any one of you can just unmute and tell me what do you want us to have this next what do you say, next sentence. आप क्या चाहते हो next sentence क्या हो? What should I write as a next sentence? Any one of you can unmute and tell me what should I write as the next sentence?
I want to come
Can I
Batman.
One by one.
My
One by one.
favorite color.
Okay. Babies. One by one. Yes, one by one. One by one.
I
Yes.
like to eat ice cream.
Okay. So there has been two things which I put here. One was address and one was I like to eat ice cream. So these are the two sentences we are going to write. Okay. So first we will write. Okay. So now first we are going to write address. So if you know your address, you write it down. Your address. I would request the parents and the kids to keep the audios on mute so that there is no disturbance. If the audios are on mute, then there will be no disturbance. Okay. So first thing we are going to write is the address. So if you know your address, quickly write down your address. Okay. Quickly write down your address and next time writing, I like to eat ice cream. Okay. So we can go for one more sentence. We can have one more sentence. So what could be that one more sentence? Now we are done with Sarah. We are done with Manas. Anyone can just unmute and tell me.
I want to become a Superman.
I want to become a Superman. Okay. So I am a woman, so I'm going to write I want to become a superwoman. Okay. All right. So boys are going to write Superman. Girls are going to write Superwoman. Or we can all write one thing. We all are going to write I want to become a superhuman. Okay. So no boy, no girl, superhuman. So we have got 3 sentences now. Quickly write these 3 sentences before we go ahead and see what all we can do with these 3 sentences.
Done.
Done. Great. We'll just wait for your friends to.
Ma'am, I done.
Great. Let your friends complete these 3 lines. So we all are going to write I want to become superhumans. Okay. No boys, no girls, superhumans.
Mamsira?
Yes. Okay. Now let's go ahead. अभी देखते हैं कि ये जो एड्रेस वाला सेंटेंस है, इस एड्रेस वाले सेंटेंस के साथ हम क्या कर सकते हैं. So quickly I am going to select this address sentence. I am going to go here where there is a slanting line. आप देख सकते हैं there is a I. So there is a slanting line here. So when you click on this, आपका handwriting थोड़ा सा slant हो जाता है. Yes, you can see. First it was all straight, now it's a bit slanting. Again, if you want, you can just change your fonts. Changing fonts is a fun for the kids. Yes. Now I have changed the font and I have made it a bit slanting. Now, in the next sentence, I want to just highlight ice cream. मुझे सिर्फ इतना highlight करना है कि मुझे ice cream खाना पसंद है. Though I like to eat a lot of things. मुझे बहुत चीजें खाना पसंद है, but मुझे अभी ice cream खाना पसंद है. So I'm just going to select ice cream. मैं सिर्फ ice cream वाले part को select करके, there is again on left side you can see the option of B, bold. So when you click on bold, automatically your ice cream, जितना आपने जिसमें ice cream लिखा है, only that part will become bold. Other things will remain simple, will remain normal. Okay. What I did, I have just selected the ice cream part. I went here on B, the bold part, and I have just clicked on the bold. So now The ice cream has become bold. Okay. Great. Now we come to the last part. I want to become a superhuman. I'm going to come on this last part. And मैं चाहती हूँ कि इसका handwriting बड़ा हो जाए. The handwriting should be big enough. Okay, to understand. So what I'm going to do here in that case, here you can see my handwriting size is, font size is 36. But आप उस पे जब click करते हो, then there are so many options. If I click on 8, तो 8 तो कितना छोटा हो गया handwriting? 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 36, 48 and 72. So, yes. So I have got it to 72. अभी देख सकते हो आप that handwriting is so big. You can see this last sentence has become so big. कितना ये देखो. I want to become a superhuman. ये handwriting कितना बड़ा हो गया है. Okay. So this is how you can increase the size of the fonts. Okay. From here you can increase the size of the font. All right. Yes. Okay, I would just request the parents to keep the audios on mute. प्रणव बच्चा, आप ऑडियो प्लीज म्यूट पे रखोगे बेबी? ओके, ग्रेट. सो दिस इज हाउ वी हैव डन. नाउ ये हो गया पूरा राइटिंग पार्ट. ओके, सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट द राइटिंग पार्ट. हमने क्या क्या देखा स्टार्टिंग से? वी विल सी क्विकली. रिकैप करते हैं. एक first was I have just changed the font. In the first line I had just changed the font. In the second line I changed the font and I changed the color. I did this in second line. Third line में मैंने क्या किया? I changed the font, I changed the color and मैंने उसको underline भी किया है. You can see Pune being underlined. Then on the during the fourth sentence, what I did, address की जगह पे मैंने क्या किया है? Address की जगह पे I had changed the font and I had made it a bit slanting. जो handwriting मेरी straight थी, वो handwriting थोड़ी सी slant हो गई है. Now in the fifth sentence, what I did, मुझे सिर्फ आइसक्रीम को highlight करना था. मुझे सिर्फ दिखाना था that I like eating ice cream. So I had just selected the ice cream part and मैंने उस ice cream part को bold कर दिया है. Then the last sentence which I did was मैंने उसका font जो है, उसकी जो size है, वो size सबसे बड़ी कर दी है. Size is 72. 72 के ऊपर चीजें, 72 के ऊपर कोई font है ही नहीं, कोई font size है ही नहीं. So what I did, I made it 72. Okay. So this was about the writing part. तो इस तरीके से हम अलग अलग तरीके से word file में लिख सकते हैं. We can write it on the word file. Okay, interesting. Interesting to all of you. You can show me a thumbs up or a thumb down if this is interesting. अगर interesting है तो show me a thumbs up or a thumb down. Great. Good. अब हम क्या देखने वाले हैं इसमें? Now what I am going to show, I am going to show it to you how we can put, किस तरीके से हम इसमें अलग अलग shapes डाल सकते हैं, अलग अलग arrows, अलग अलग designs डाल सकते हैं. Okay, so we are going to see how to put different shapes on this screen. So अब ये जो पहला वाला slide था, ये जो word file था, उससे मैं अभी नीचे आ गई. I am now on second page, and here you can see the option on left side. एक home का option है और एक insert का option है. Now quickly click on the insert option. So once you click on the insert option, आपको कितने सारे options आ गए हैं. There are so many options that you have. So first we will go for shapes. There is an option of shapes. So click on the shapes option and we are going to select कौन सा shape ले, कौन सा shape ले. Okay, we will start with a smiley. You all can see a smiley here. All can see smiley. So this is the shape I have inserted. I will quickly show how it's done. ये कैसे किया है मैं जल्दी से आपको फिर से दिखाऊंगी. Very simple thing to do. Go on insert. Insert में आप जब क्लिक करते हो आपको options आते हैं, उसमें से shapes वाला option select करो. Once you select the shape option, there are so many options that you get. आपको कितने options आ रहे हैं? There is a circle, there is circle, there is a triangle, there is square, there is a star, there is smiley. कितने सारे options हैं? So now we are going to go for the second shape, which is a heart. So we are going to go on the second shape, which is the heart. See, smiley भी आ गया, heart भी आ गया. If any one of you is not able to understand or the parents, please let me know about it. You can select. जरूरी नहीं है. It's not compulsory that you have to select a smile or you have to make a heart. You can select whatever shapes that you like. Okay? इसमें से आपको जो shapes पसंद आते हैं, उन shapes को select करना है. And once this shape is here, अब देखो आप देख रहे हो, it's in blue color. So if I want to change the color, अगर मुझे इसका color change करना है, then I will go here. Shape fill. Shape fill का option आता है, उस पे जब मैं क्लिक करती हूँ मुझे फिर से बहुत सारे कलर ये आ जाते हैं, choices आ जाते हैं, right? So from these color choices, I can select whichever color I want. मैंने तो 3 शेप ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे ले लिए हैं. How many shapes you are doing? I am done with 3 shapes. How many shapes you are doing? How many shapes you are doing? आप कितने shapes कर रहे हो? If parents you are using 2 devices, and if any one of you can show what the child is exactly doing, that would be really great. So you can just show their screen to me. If you are using 2 devices. Okay, I can see Abhiruth. Okay, wow, that's nice. He has made a smiley, a arrow, star, a heart. Beautiful. Kush is also doing very nice.
Ma'am,
So nice to see.
ma'am,
ले छोड़ो कागड़ ले कागड़ ले
Yes.
ma'am, please show again how to insert
Okay.
the.
I will yes, no problem. I will quickly show how to insert the shapes. All you have to do is insert के option में जाइए, which is right next to home. You go on insert. There is an option for shapes, so you can click on shapes, एंड जब आप शेप पे क्लिक करते हो देयर आर सो मेनी शेप्स अवेलेबल फॉर यू. कितने सारे शेप्स आपके लिए अवेलेबल हैं. एंड बिकॉज इट्स अ रेनी सीजन सो आई एम गोइंग टू नेक्स्ट टेक अ क्लाउड शेप. अब मैं क्लाउड लेने वाली हूँ. So once you select on the shape, the cloud comes here, and then all you have to do is just shape fill it by whichever color that you want. Wow, so colorful. This looks so colorful. Yes, I could see 2-3 screens. I have seen Kush, I have seen Abirut, I have also seen Vamsi. Very nice. Supriya, Anmol. Good. I just hope that the kids are doing this. It's very nice.
Ma'am.
Anmol is also doing it.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Very nice.
This look.
This look. Yeah. Yes, Manish, good. Manish has taken a triangle. Good. Good, good. So this is how you can put shapes on the word file. आपको जो shapes चाहिए आप वो shapes इस word file में डाल सकते हो. आर्या, very nice. Arna, very nice. Yes, Vedant, good. नहीं मैम, जो पेरेंट्स जो 2 डिवाइसेस यूज कर रहे हैं ना तो वो मुझे फोन के थ्रू दिखा रहे हैं. सो इवन इफ यू कांट शेयर इट विथ मी राइट नाउ यू कैन लेटर ऑन शेयर द फाइल विथ मी. I will be as it is giving them the assignment, so then later on they can share the assignment with me. ये जो parents they are able to show it to me because they are using it from 2 devices. One is from phone and one is from the laptop. Good, good. Yay! So nice, so colorful. Wow, Kalyan. I can see a sun, I can see a heart, I can see smiley. Good, good. Place whichever shapes you want to place it there. आप जो shape चाहिए आप वो shape उसमें डाल सकते हो. Good, Vishnu. Good, good. Good. Nice. Wow. Now I guess we should move to the next one. अभी हम क्या करने वाले हैं? अभी हम insert में जाएंगे. And after going in insert, we are going to try to put pictures. अभी ये तो था, ये तो shapes हो गए. These were all shapes. Now how to put picture? Okay, I am going to teach you. मैं आपको दिखाने वाले I will show you how to put pictures from online. आपको वो डाउनलोड करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है, आपको कुछ भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. All you have to do is you go on insert, you click on the pictures option. आपको 2 ऑप्शन आते हैं. One is from this device and one is from online. So आप online pictures पे click करो and I want to put a picture of I like dogs. So I am going to put a picture of a dog. So मैंने यहाँ पे dog लिखा है. And wow, so cute dogs are coming here on screen. जो कितने dogs दिखाई दे रहे हैं. So I am going to select a cutest dog. उसके ऊपर सिर्फ क्लिक करना है, कुछ नहीं करना है. Only you have to click and insert. My dog is here. Can you see this? Yes, Aishwarya.
Try again.
Can you show me your screen, madam? Because
Try again.
Yes, yes. One by one. Yes. ऐश्वर्या पहले बताइए आप क्या बोल रहे थे?
मैम और एक बार दिखाइए ना.
हाँ, फिर से एक बार दिखाने वाली हूँ. Yes. And sir, you were saying something?
Can you switch on your screen, madam? We couldn't see your screen.
Sir, actually my screen is already switched on.
Okay,
my
sorry.
Is on. Yes, my screen. So you just need to just minimize your screen, and then you can go on my screen. So you will be able to see.
No, I'm using a okay. Okay. Okay.
Yes. Arya baby, I can see you are using graph. You are making graph here. Baby, you are making graph.
Ma'am, you please show the steps again,
yes.
Because I am not able to find online picture.
Yes. Pratiksha ma'am, just showing it right away. So मैं फिर से दिखा रही हूँ. I will again show how it's done. You go on insert. You go on pictures. Okay? So you go on insert. You go on pictures. जैसे ही आप pictures पे click करते हो, आपको दो options आते हैं. You get two options. One is from this device and another one is online pictures. Okay? So just click on online pictures. ऑनलाइन पिक्चर्स पे क्लिक कीजिए. आपके सामने इतना बड़ा स्क्रीन आ जाएगा. स्क्रीन आने के बाद यहाँ पे आपको ऑप्शन आता है टू टाइप एनीथिंग दैट यू वांट. सो नाउ आई एम डन विद डॉग, सो आई एम गोइंग टू पुट अ कैट. So I can select whichever cat I want. मैं कोई भी इसमें से cat select कर सकती हूँ. I just have to click on that cat and click on insert. And my cat is here. Can you all see my cat? Can you all see this cat on screen? A dog and a cat. You go on insert.
Yes, ma'am.
You go on insert. Okay, I will tell you step by step. All of you click insert. Click on insert. I will tell you step by step. Click on insert. Go on pictures. After clicking on insert, go on pictures. Pictures पे click कीजिए. What happened? Okay, click on pictures. Now when you click on pictures, can you see two options? This device and online pictures. Can you see these two options? This device and online pictures. ये दो options आपको दिखाई दे रहे हैं. I have clicked on insert, on pictures, and two options.
I think it's depend on version also because I can't see. There is only one option.
Yes, ma'am. Mine is also 2007 Microsoft, so I think it is not there.
Okay, yes, ma'am. So no problem. If you have only one option, because okay. So you are getting only one option of pictures. Yes, Pratiksha ma'am. There is only one option of pictures.
Yes.
Okay. Can any one of you please show me so that I can see the screen, what it's coming on screen? आपके screen पे क्या दिखाई दे रहा है when you click on insert?
Ma'am.
Okay. So yes, Sanjeevni, what I can see on your screen is ये आपके device में ये pictures है already. So that these pictures are coming. No problem at all. You can select any picture from this device. Pratiksha ma'am, if you are not getting an option of online pictures, you can click on this device. So आपके जो लैपटॉप में पिक्चर्स होंगे उसमें से कोई भी पिक्चर्स आ जाएंगे.
हाँ, okay? वो ऑप्शन तो है, बस ऑनलाइन वाला नहीं हो रहा है.
Okay, ma'am. Maybe because
So
of
we
the
can take
updated version.
any picture from the laptop, na?
Yes, yes. I will
Okay,
also
ma'am.
show
Thank you.
that. I will also show that. अभी मैंने Google से picture लिया था. अब I am going to show it from the device. अब मैं device से picture लेने वाली हूँ. So I am clicking on this device. I am going to click on the save pictures, and there is this one cute picture I have. So I will select on that. And there is an option of insert. So there is this cute boy on the screen.
Ma'am, can you show it once again?
Yes, ma'am. You go on insert. You click on pictures. If there are two ways. किसी laptop में there will be only one version. So if there is only an option for this device, so आप this device पे भी click करते हो तो भी आपको आपके device में आपके laptop में जो pictures है वो आ जाएंगे. और if you click on online pictures, then you get an option of selecting any picture from online. So there are so many options that you have from any pictures of online. You can just take any one and click on insert, and the picture will get inserted on the screen. Yes, you can put any pictures, any you want. जितने आप चाहते हो उतने pictures you can place.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes, very nice, Sanjeevni. Binyamin, very good. Those screen whose I can see. Very nice, doing a great job. Yes, Arya. Ananya, butterfly. That's so nice. Good. Good, good. Good. So I hope you are able to put pictures on the Word file. You were able to put pictures on the Word file. Very nice, Kush. Good. Binyamin, I can see a Superman there. Very nice. Very nice. That's good. Okay, so once you're done, you can show me a thumbs up. If you're done, you can show me a thumbs up. Those who have done, show me a thumbs up. अगर आपको नहीं समझ आया, then you can just ask me, okay? If you have not understood how to insert the picture, you can surely ask me. Okay, so I can see so many thumbs ups. Great. So चले next चीज की तरफ चले. Should we go on the next thing? Next and the last thing for today? Yes? Okay. Great. Now next we are going to see is कि इसमें table कैसे डालना है. How to put a table in this word form. How to place a table into it. Again we are going to go to insert. हम insert पे click करेंगे और जैसे ही आप insert पे आ जाते हो, the moment you click on insert, आपको यहाँ पे table का option आता है. Can you see this? Table option is there. So you click on table and there is an option. आपको छोटे squares दिखाई दे रहे हैं. Okay? So आप जैसे squares decide करते हो, select करते हो, वैसे देखो मेरा table बनते जा रहा है. So if I only select one square, तो मेरा सिर्फ एक ही line बना है. Then I have done 2 squares, so it has become 2 boxes. 4 boxes, 6 boxes, 9 boxes. Okay, so you can make as many boxes as you want. इतने boxes आप बना सकते हो. See, this is how my table looks like. ये तो मैथ्स का टेबल, ये मैथ्स के इसके जैसा हो गया ना, नोटबुक जैसा हो गया ना, मैथ्स नोटबुक. हाउ वी यूज्ड टू हैव छोटे बॉक्सेस.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So simple and so easy to make. I will again show how it's done. No problem. I will quickly show how it's done. You go and insert. You click on table. जैसे आप insert पे जाते हो आपको table का option आता है. Insert के नीचे table का option है. Yes, Binyamin. Correct. उसी जगह पे. And when you click on that, you just have to select how many boxes you want. आपको सिर्फ उतना select करना है कि आपको कितने boxes चाहिए. आपके ऊपर है कि आपको कितने boxes चाहिए. Yes, मुझे तो इतने सारे boxes चाहिए तो मैंने सब select किया. So I have selected these many boxes.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Great. Good, Sanjeevni. Perfect. Correct. Correct. Doing nicely. Yes. Nicely. Yes. Right. Right. You can show me once your boxes are ready.
Ma'am, how to show this from the mobile?
So, ma'am, if you have logged in from your laptop, so what can be done is that you can just start the Zoom meeting here, and you can start the video on your phone and then just share it with me. If you have two devices, one from the laptop, one from the phone. And no problem, no worry at all if you don't have two devices. I am going to ask for everything that the kids have done, through WhatsApp, or you can just send it to me across. जितना कुछ आज उन्होंने क्लास में किया है, they have to share it with me. Okay, kids, the most important part. अब इतना सब कुछ हमने किया है, so ये तो सब कुछ गायब हो जाएगा अगर हम स्क्रीन बंद कर देंगे. So it's very important to save it. इतना सब कुछ हमने लिखा है, अच्छे अच्छे शेप्स डाले, पिक्चर्स भी डाले हैं, टेबल भी बनाया है. So it is very important that you save it all. अगर हमने इसको सेव नहीं किया तो ये तो सब गायब हो जाएगा. So what are we going to do now? We are going to save this file. Okay? So you go on the left side. You click on the option, file option. See, I'm clicking on the file option. जैसे ही मैं file option पे click करती हूँ, I get so many options here. So I click on save as. I click on save as. I click on save as. And then here I have written my name. So everyone will write their name to save it. Okay. So I will just write my name. Everyone is going to write their name to save the file. And just click on save. Okay. So even if I close it from here, मैंने यहाँ से अगर इसको close भी कर दिया, तो भी यहाँ पे जैसे मैं क्लिक करती हूँ इस फाइल को, I can see it. It's also saying welcome back. So इसको close किया मैंने यहाँ पे, but the moment I open it, it's there. So इतना आपने efforts लिया है, तो ये सब वैसे ही रहना चाहिए. All right, all of you. Yes, all of you.
What? Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Quickly show me a thumbs up. Yes, ma'am.
मैम एक्चुअली ये सब है वो अच्छा था, पर अभी तक इतना रीडिंग और रीडिंग का नॉलेज नहीं है, तो क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग अभी इनिशियल स्टेजेस?
Ma'am, what is the age group?
Saumitra's age is 12.
Okay, 12. So ma'am, अभी ऐसा है that we are doing it as a pre-vocational program. So one step by step now, the moment he will start knowing these words, जितना repetitive करेंगे, that is what I wanted to talk to the parents. Parents, we have kept this camp alternate days. We have not kept it every day. It's going to be an alternate day. Why we have kept it alternate day? Because today and tomorrow, I want the kids to get familiar with these terms. Insert, font, size, color, shapes. So I want them to get familiar with these words so that they know कि okay, insert करना है तो क्या करना है. Then you go in insert, there is an option of pictures, there is an option of table. So we are giving a break. We are doing it every alternate day, and there is going to be an assignment. I will be creating a word file. मैं एक वर्ड फाइल ऑल टुगेदर नया क्रिएट करूंगी अभी. आई विल बी शेयरिंग विथ ऑल द पेरेंट्स इन द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप, एंड द किड्स हैव टू फॉलो एंड मेक अ रेप्लिका आउट ऑफ इट. Replica means whatever that I have done in the word file, they have to do exactly the same in their word file, and then they have to share it with me by tomorrow evening, so that jitna repetitive the kids learn through practicing. The kids can't learn just because we are saying it. हम बात कर रहे so the kids will not learn it. They need to practice. This thing needs to be in their motion, or it needs to be in their practice. Even before pandemic, हम लोग भी इतना tech savvy नहीं थे. But now because of this pandemic, everything has become online. So we have also started working on our technology. So the same way, if the kids keep on practicing it, आज और कल में अगर वो practice करते हैं word file को, then they will also come to know कि okay, I have to here insert it. This is how I will underline it. This is how my text will become slant. This is how my text will become bold. So this is how. So the more they practice about it, the more complex and the more easy it will become for them. So ma'am, to answer your question, just make sure that he is on repetitive hearing those words, and he is not only hearing those words, but he knows कि अगर मैं insert दबा रहा हूँ तो exactly क्या हो रहा है. He should know अगर if I'm pressing on bold, exactly क्या हो रहा है screen पे. So the moment the kids start understanding this, they will automatically start experimenting by themselves. So this is what I want to say, and I hope, yes kids, you had fun today. You had fun writing it, making it all colorful. You had fun, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, Arjun, so much energy. Yes. Arna, good.
Yeah.
Good to see that.
Yes.
So I want all the kids, I want all my kids. Yes, I want all my kids day after tomorrow also. हमारा next class Wednesday को है. So you all your faces should be there on Wednesday. I'm going to teach you something fun on Wednesday. And yes, how we say bye? How we say bye? Yes, there are no such requirements. Every day we will just require good internet connection, a laptop, and if you have an extra device so that I can see the progress of the child. So that is the only requirement for this computer. Yes. So bye all of you. See you all on Wednesday.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.